Ash Mufareh. Hello everyone. Tax day is coming and I think I qualify for a salary increase. Smile. $375 doesn't pay the bills anymore. Smile again. We had an incredible session prior to coming here and dissecting all the elements of OConnect and what is coming in upcoming weeks in Remarkable, and we are proud of what we created. A few items are being fine-tuned, and we will say we created something historical. April 18th, you will see incredible updates, and we will keep adding. We will never run out of good ideas. Just ahead of this session, they are so confident. What we have now and coming exceeds whatever is currently in the market. I don't think you have to argue with me or criticize and argue. We will add a payment option to it. It is worth $5,000 US. We have got used to OConnect, and it's so hard when we have to downgrade to lower quality platforms. We have been extending this for those that paid early, and many had it for 6 months. Not wise for the company. We just have our way of thinking, and we pledge to clear steps in the way. We have a principle to stick to and keep our word, but costly for us, but a gift, and you should enjoy it. You will see, we have a report that is provided to you. A names list and mail address, duration, activities they have taken, IP addresses. So much work has been done in the background and will not be free forever. We will have smaller packages available. About 2K webinars are being hosted every day average. We have great assurance OConnect will be a historical game changer. We have one little man-made bump in the road left to complete, and we have great news. Soon, we will give great news that we can move on to the fun part. I am fired up with the latest updates, and we are doing this 100% to the cause. Do it or die. Stay close. You are a part of something really promising. We had our challenges, basically like a war, but we are in the mindset of do it or die. OConnect is superior to anything created. We have small things that will make it smoother and even greater, constant improving, perfecting it constantly as we go. What is coming? No date, but this month the best update so far is that we will get things untangled and on our way. Speech to Hindi, because it is now at 90% accuracy. We are happy, and that should be over the different languages. April 8th adds the option to choose camera resolutions. Following Monday, view your background and give you selection prior to going live. Also, right now when you share screen at the top corner, we have full screen options. You can minimize it, and it will give you options via a drop-down option, and it will also give options for full screen or hide the panel. The record option will also allow everything to be captured and also give options to remove menu options. On the dashboard, soon there will be an instant webinar function. One click, then you can share the link from the webinar to your audience. These are the types of needs that are being available in the future. Conference mode is for smaller groups up to 100 people to speak. Webinar is for large groups over 100 attendees. The native mobile app is on track, and we are hopeful it will be ready by the end of the month. Some countries, systems, educational, etc. had so many considerations to consider that trying to keep the system as simple as possible has required changes as we have moved forward. The biggest race between companies, countries, etc. are racing toward AI. AI is not like electricity where one design works for all. Onpassive is in the race with a more pure and no offense or harm to anyone. This is a rough battle, but Onpassive is approaching the better design than other companies that are trying to use it for less appropriate outcomes. Thank you, Daryl Cook, Janet Butler, Peter Sura, and Dan Street for helping with these notes.